Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Vamseti. Today we'll see one of the interview question for Snowflake. That is what? So what are the various ways to access time travel? This question asked recently. So how many ways we can able to access time travel? So before that, let me understood what is time travel. So time travel is nothing but what? Accessing historical data. Historical data, nothing but what? So by mistakenly, we have modified, we have updated or deleted or dropped, so we can able to access at a particular period of time called data retention time. One more time, suppose like by mistakenly I have updated or deleted some data. So I want to go back and access the historical changes. How can I access by using time travel concept? So ways, there are so many ways, nothing but there are three ways are there. One is, so by using query ID, we can able to access. One is offset, other is the timestamp. So one is query ID, offset, timestamp. So by using these three ways, we can able to access the time travel. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. And one more update is that what? So from August 4th, new batches are going to start for Snowflake and DBT. You can able to reach out. Okay. So let me log into Snowflake and we can able to work on it. 1 second. I have logged into Snowsite UI. Let me create one database. So whenever like, okay, see, so so Fivetran, any database. So development database. So Fivetran database, same thing. So create one schema. So create schema, Fivetran dev SC. Okay, so this is normal functionality. So then create one table. So create table. So test ID number. Okay, here you need to see first we'll go for what? Go for, okay, 1 second. Let me make it a little bit smaller. See. So let me create a table. When we create a table, what happened? So see Snowflake, you see, click on three dots, copy the query ID and paste here. Okay, let me insert one record, insert into test values one. Okay, see, now see the data, copy the query ID and paste here. Okay, same thing. So insert two records, second record, third record. Okay, so far now how many records are there in my table? Select the start from test. Okay, so there is three records are there. So far good. Okay, now what happened? I am trying to delete from test table. If you see, there are three records. This is the current data. Now delete the records. Okay, copy the query ID. Now see what happened. See, as of now, no records are there. But I want to see the previous data. How can I see by using what concept? By using, so by mistakenly I have deleted these records, but I want to fetch. How to fetch? By using time travel concept. So select start from table. See the syntax table. So before statement, okay, and pass the query ID. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, okay, see select start from test. So this is my actual table. Actual table contains no records. So before, which is the statement we have performed? We have performed delete. So see delete query ID we should pass here. See, now we get the three records are available. So one is by using what concept? By using, so query ID. Okay. One more thing is that what select start from. Okay, see. So test, this is the actual table. Actual table doesn't contains any record. So one more thing is that what, so see by using, so before, okay, see before pass the offset. Offset nothing but time. Okay, see. So if I put -1, nothing but what's like 1 second back. Okay, 1 second. So one more thing is that offset. So here -1, nothing but 1 second back. If I put 10, nothing but 10 second back. Okay, if I put 60, nothing but 1 minute. If I put 2, nothing but 2 minutes back, what is my data? So 3 minutes back, what is my data? So 4 minutes back, I can able to get the data. Like, okay, you can put them seconds. Okay, 60 seconds, nothing but 4 minutes we can able to. So one more thing is that what? One more thing is by using offset concept. Okay, so this is by using query ID. This is by using offset concept. So for gonna, so 4 minutes back, we are getting this data. And one more thing is that what last one by using what concept? Select star from table. So before timestamp. Okay, see. So we should pass the timestamp. Okay, see what are the timestamp we can able to get. So select star from table. Okay, what's the table? So this is my table. So before, okay, what's the option? Timestamp. Okay, see timestamp. Okay. So what I should pass here? Pass the timestamp. How to get my timestamp? Select current timestamp. See, control enter. Now this is my data. Copy it and paste here. So we need to convert, okay, convert into timestamp, time zone. This is important. TZ nothing but timestamp, time zone. So this is the see, select star from table before timestamp. Now what happened? So this is my data. As of now in my table contains, see, no records. Let me insert one record and I'll get clarity. Simple thing only, okay. See, let me insert fourth record. So in my table, how many records are there? Select star from test. So see, there are one record is there. But you see here what happened. So before this timestamp, there is no record. Okay, if you're not able to understand, let me take the current timestamp, copy it and paste here. As of now, how many records are in my table? One record is there. Let me insert fifth record. Now in my table, we'll contains two record. So before current timestamp, we'll get contains C. As of now, 4, 5 is there. When I try to exit, we'll get only one record. So conclusion is that what? So select the star from table name before statement. Query ID is straightforward. Second thing is that what if I want to check 1 minute back, 5 minutes back, we should go for what concept? Go for offset concept. If you know the particular period of time, what happened? Select star from table before timestamp. We should pass the current. If you know the timestamp, we can able to pass here and we should convert into timestamp time zone. Okay. So this is the way you can able to get it done. Okay. So this is one of the question and we use regularly in our day-to-day projects. Okay. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.